Hi everyone, welcome to my day trading recap. Today I'm finishing up the day up $6,000, almost $6,000, but crazy day, crazy week. I'm up 38 on the week, closing the week, 54 on the month. Crazy performance. Like it's my PR month, it's my PR week. I had a PR day excluding CIIT back at the 10th. Crazy. This market is insane. And the funny part about that is that we got like 10 12 more days to go. I feel like this day is a market holiday day, so market should be closed, but I'm not sure. Yeah, Juneteenth or something they call it. I don't know. But yeah, crazy day. 6K in the bag, baby. Amazing. Biggest winners were BYAH and VSME. Let's watch those. VSME gave an incredible. Oh my god. Oh, I thought SPC were opened, but SPCX, but no. Oh, let me change this. Yeah, for some reason my SpaceX level 2 were flickering, so I was like, wow, is it opened? And no, it was not. So yeah, SpaceX is about to IPO in like, it should have been like an hour ago, but it's just not happening. So I'm just leaving it alone and recording my recap. So yeah, VSME. Honestly, this week I traded it twice. So on this day, which is today, and also like I feel like it was on Tuesday. Very good runner. The price action was pretty nice. I got this trade. I feel like if I can remember correctly, but all of that range was pretty solid. Also, we got BYAH. Also traded it in here, and also off the open, I got this trade. It was funny. I was buying in here, slowly selling, and then I was like, yeah, let's sell it all because there was another resumption back in play, which was CUPR, if I remember correctly. So this was about to resume, and I was like, yeah, let me just sell all of my shares. And I got like I want to say a 15-20 cent gain on that trade, which was pretty solid. And what else did we trade? What else? Oh, we got DSY, this multi-day bull. Okay, I won't say it, but this multi-day runner. I just don't like trading multi-days. So I initially saw it and I was like, it's a multi-day. Let's check the daily. I don't like this daily chart. I like it when it's fresh from day one, but this has this nonsense pattern on the daily, but whatever. It still gave some nice moves. I made like 900. I feel like I got this trade, if I remember correctly. And also, yeah, not a lot of trades, if I remember correctly. Let's double check that. So I got a trade from 730 all the way to the highs somewhere in here, 780, and I got dips over here. Yeah, so not this trade, but in here I got some nice dips, and I didn't trade it over here, which is, I don't know, I don't really care. Like I got my money, like 900. That is enough. ASBP funny runner. It was funny because I did not trade this entirely, and then all of a sudden, with small size to say the least, I tried to buy this red candle. I was buying 940, selling 880 on my first trade on it, and I was like, come on, man. And then I was revenge trading it over here. I managed to get some nice trades to recoup some of the loss, and then I revenge traded it also in here. So I lost like 6 or 500 bucks on that one, which is pretty stupid because you should not trade that. I was trying to say like, oh, maybe they will cover at 200 EMA on the 1 minute because everyone is short and some nonsense. But reality is that I traded it mainly because I was emotional. But at least I'm making emotional mistakes with small size, so can't be that upset about that. Gotta look at the glass half full, brother. I also traded the FNS, which is a penny runner. Penny for the brokies, because you better know I might be making 37 a week, but I am still a brokey in my heart. So I was trading this penny stock. Biggest trades. Let's see the biggest trade on that one. Yeah, I got this trade. Yeah, I was buying this, I was scaling into this, and I was selling at the breakout level, which was pretty solid. So got my brokey gains out of it. And then because I was not using big size on that, I was using like maybe 15, 16K, which is nothing. And then what else did I trade? Let's see. AZI. AZI. So it popped up. I was like, yeah, maybe it will give a move. I was waiting. Then it dipped below 2. I was buying 196, selling 205, made like $600 on that one, which was pretty solid. What else? What else? What else? And then there were a lot of side stocks, like nothing that crazy. Oh, also I was training CIST, which is funny because I was randomly aping this breakout and then I got flushed on and I was with big size and I was like, what am I even doing? And the reason why I got into this trade is because I was watching SpaceX, like the IPO, which never resumes apparently. And I was like, oh, I was bored. And then this popped up and it was looking actually pretty good. And it was pretty good. And then I tried trading it and I just lost a lot on that one. And then I revenge traded it in here, made my money back. And then after it rallied back up, I didn't trade it because I was just emotionally trading it. I was not trading it with edge. I was just looking to make my money back. And I did, which is good. Which is good. What else? What else? What else? Yeah, let me just double check that if I'm saying that correctly. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So yeah, I was buying this candle, got flashed on. Then I was buying with big size because I was emotional, got back my gains. And yeah, I was like, nah, scalp this range a little bit. And I was like, yeah, I'm trading like a monkey. But the reason I got into this trade is mainly because of boredom. Because I'm not used to sit tightly and just wait for a random IPO to resume. So I was doing everything. I was over in MMU chat. I was over and everywhere, just spamming memes and laughing. And then eventually I lost my composure and I traded this nonsense. But yeah, I made like $90 on that at the end. So trading is risky. My results are not typical. Please don't overtrade and revenge trade like I do. Practice in the simulator. Do it with small size. And yeah, SpaceX, come on, baby. Can you please resume already? Resume, I mean IPO. They were saying it will open at 10 a.m., but it's like almost 12 and it's not doing anything. But yeah, I guess that's how IPO rolls usually. But yeah, I'll just lock in the green day, the green week, the green everything. 54K on the month. What are we talking about? Holy insane. I'm grateful. There's nothing else to say, honestly. Like making this amount of money from the comfort of your home, crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. But yeah, make sure you practice in the simulator. And if you guys want to join MMU, link is in the description because I'm an MMU student, as you guys may already know. But yeah, catch you later.